Hey guys, if you're working from home and having issues with MS Teams or Skype or any of the applications that you're using online where you need to keep your session active, then what you need is Session Alive. This will allow you to keep your computer active, your mouse moving, so that you don't look like you are away from your workstation. So what you need to do is go to Session Alive and download the free version of the software, or you can purchase the full version on Amazon at this link here. The link will be provided in this video. So if you click on the download Session Alive, you should be able to get the zip file, which then you would execute the, you would be able to unzip and run the application. So if you open the zip file, you'll notice the executable within it. So double clicking on the executable should be able to unzip and execute the application. So once you execute the application in the zip file, Microsoft Excel will open up, and you'll notice Session Alive is going to be running within the Microsoft Excel. So you do need Microsoft Excel installed and running on your workstation. So this is the free version, Session Alive 1.0 free version executable. So what's available to you here is to be able to set the cursor time, which is set at 1 minute. You can change that to any time you like. What you can't do in the free version is change the stop time. It automatically stop at after 1 hour, so you would have to run it again. Or you can stop it at any time. So in the full version, you'll have access to the changing or the ability to set the stop execution time to make a run for 8 hours or any time you like, as well as have the option of setting the pausing of execution and the interval of pausing it. So that's it. Once you have this open and available, you can click on run, and you'll notice that it's counting down and it's going to be running. Now again, once you move your cursor, you're going to see that the time will, and the elapsed time will, remaining time will not move. But once you stop moving your cursor and away from your workstation, the elapsed time will start counting down. Again, with the free version, you still have the ability to hide the form and show it, as well as closing it. So you can stop, reset, you can close it, show the form, and yeah, so you have all those capabilities. Again, you don't have the ability to stop the execution time. So I hope you enjoy the Session Alive free version, and if you wanted to upgrade, again, you can purchase the full version from Amazon directly in the link of this video. Thank you.